Happy Valentine's Day to my beautiful wife. Love, Tommy. What a card. Tommy. Magluluto guys. Kasamok. Daghan chichiburichi. Look, I can smell the gas. Sticko.
Rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's
You find me now, Misty.
Hey, you cannot go in there, Hub.
I know, Rox, I know. You've been squishing me since I came down. You know what you know.
Watch my camera.
Yeah. Oh, good. Alright, let's just want to lie down. Just want to pop on my head like you ever really kill me. Lie on the couch before she jumps up on my legs. My legs are hurting me. So I come on the floor. She comes and lies on me on the floor.
Misty, what are you doing? What are you doing? Good morning. How do you do?
Even, it used to be I light the cigarette and Roxy would leave. I go,
How do you do now? All the smoke that went upstairs to my bedroom.
door closed.
Yeah, it's in there because Hub's is in there.
He started up there. So,
Right there, bug. Good girl Mitty calls. Roxy, not a good girl. She's just looking at me right now, guys. Tingin na lang siya ng tingin. Hanggang tingin ka na lang, Roxy. Hi guys, good morning. Morning, guys.
what are you sitting for?
Good morning. She's really sad.
Yeah, you're right.
Somebody's coming. This one right here. Ay, nako guys. Katatapos lang namin kumain ng breakfast, guys. Nag-breakfast.
Morning, guys. Never mind. Let me tell you. Okay, come on. Good girl.
Ah, good girl ka dyan.
She started sleeping in the chairs at night. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Who's good? Well, you first told me no, she wasn't good. No, she wasn't good.
No, because
Till you
did
caught
you
her.
notice that? Yeah, did you notice that she go there when we're not there, and then when she heard us going downstairs, she suddenly became him boom.
And I told you because I thought it whole time she was so sound asleep she wouldn't hear me coming down.
Yeah,
And
see,
then you told me it was making it up wasn't true.
Roxy knows that she's not allowed in the couch in the other house over here too, And then once she heard us guys that we're going downstairs, she jumped and pretend that she's stretching like this.
There's stuff that you play on the couch.
Huh?
Or there's two things you can do to keep head off couch. One is put tape,
Yeah.
side up,
Oh really?
and leave it on the couch.
Of course, Mystic, come look at it. Look at that, guys.
Monkey.
It's our morning, guys. Wala kaming ginagawa. You know, morning thing. After breakfast, we're just sitting down, relax, watch TV, talk, play with the dogs, watch the cats. Nothing. This is morning thing. Oh guys, tagpaplano ka si Tammy, bring the 2 cats in the other house. Gusto kong mag-stay doon ng mga few days, maybe a week or 2 weeks. Because it's really sucks guys. Na ako lang dito mag-isa, Tammy's over there, I'm over here. It's been almost 1 year that I'm here. And I don't like the feeling, guys. The feeling of I don't need him anymore. Like, I'm get used to it guys, like I'm get used to it that I don't like it. I want to feel again that like he's my husband. I love him so much. Where is Roxy? Where's Roxy, hon?
Come here, Ross. She back there?
No, she is not here. Hello, where is she? Oh, she's hiding, hon. She's hiding right here. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? Huh? Why are you hiding over there? Dada is want you over there.
Come here, Ross.
Go Dada right there. Call her, hon. Yeah, come right here, huh? Sleep with Dada.
Come on, Ross. You can. I know you can jump. You're just afraid to. So. Okay.
Oh, what?
She ate that much. She probably needs to do something.
I like you're all red, baby.
When I first met you, hated it, huh?
I like when you all red. Very Santa Claus and very Valentine's. Tomorrow is a Valentine's Day, but you know what, guys? This video is probably late. Not probably, it's gonna be late. Hun, you are a red ribbon. Red ribbon. Red ribbon. Right there. Dimple's waiting for dry food. Red ribbon.
Come in now and get up to 35% off or get 72 months no interest for a limited time.
Ay, Roxy, you are annoying as heck. What are the two of you doing, crazy? You get something for me. Is this for me? For me. Huh? So I think it's a flower, guys. But I don't think it's a flower. Valentine's Day.
The fact that you like everything that's on the inside, YouTube is getting nothing.
Let's open this over there. And spa something. Yeah, or spa. Okay, let me do this. Honestly, I don't know how to do this thing, guys. Happy Valentine's Day to my beautiful wife. Love, Tommy. What a card. Yeah. It's a beautiful roses. Han, it's really pretty, Han. Han. It's really red. It's so pretty. Alas 3 na ng hapon. Yung asawa ko, sobrang sakit yung ulo niya as in. And hindi ko naman feel mag-vlog na ano siya. Minamasahe ko na lang yung ulo niya palagi. At saka nilagyan ko ng ice pack. Kasi sobrang sakit doon nakahiga. Magluluto na lang ako ng pasta. At nagbo-boil para may madala din siya doon sa isang bahay. Maghihiwa lang ako nito guys. At saka i-boil ko ito. So, hiwain ko muna sila and then I will mix it later. So, yun lang. Pahinga muna sa vlogging. Baka mamaya naman magkita-kits tayo. Tapos na akong nagluluto ng ano guys. Macaroni solid. And yung asawa ko natutulog. Hindi pa siya natutulog guys. Andun siya. Masakit pa ring ulo ng asawa ko. Dinner time guys. Tignan nyo tong dalawa guys. Oh. I heard somebody. I heard somebody. You want more? Han, don't put that over there. You want me to put ice in it? Huh?
You use a lot of ice, it can't be that much water.
There's a lot of ice. I keep hearing it. Well, this is really heavy, Han.
Discover caress with floral
You want more ice? A lot?
for caressable soft skin. Indulge in the rich lather and delicate
Put sa ziplock ba, guys? Hi, Rox. Barbecue kami, guys. Magluluto si Tami ng steak. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. Kita nyo yung mga light doon, guys, oh. Ang city. Sobrang ginaw sa labas, guys. So, nagsisweater ako dahil sobrang ginaw. Ang ginaw. What are you doing?
I'm gonna lift this.
Why?
Because, see all that muck on top of those things? That burns them and they rot. I know. Watch.
Okay, I hold it. Every time Tamis magluluto guys, kasamok, daghan chichiburichi. Look, I can smell the gas. Chichiburichi. Okay, you can slowly get the steak out.
Oh, I just...
Dalawa yung binili ni Tami guys nito. I don't know you guys if you remember na dalawang maliit. Kasi this is usually for party. He got this for party guys.
Two of them. There's another one of those.
Yeah, but because... Hala, what is that noise?
Roxy.
Steak. Sarap nito. Ito na yan. Sticko. Yes, looks so good. Yum. Dami's there. Hi guys. Ano na guys, it's something na kakaalis lang ni Tami. Yan, kakaalis lang niya dun. Nandun siya sa mailbox namin. Ay, nako guys. Yung araw na ito, andito yung asawa ko, pero ano siya? Yung araw na hindi mo, yung nagluluto ka, ba't tumawag, eh? Why tumawag? Hello? What?
My signal's stopped here.
What happened?
You guys shut the light in the garage because I didn't shut the light.
I did.
Okay, I locked your garage. I shut the garage, but I didn't shut the light because it had to go inside to it.
Yeah, I did already.
Thanks. You locked the garage door inside?
Yes, of course. Hello, guys. Hello. Oh, sumakit yung ulo ko eh. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, Hindi ko naman siya minadali guys sa pagpapauwi. Pero gusto ko talaga, lalo na kapag galing sila dito lang every Tuesday. Gusto ko talaga yung ano ba, yung sabihin ko sa kanya na dapat alis na kayo. Hindi naman na ayaw ko na sa kanya dito. Ang pinag-alala ko yung pagdadrive niya. Plus, pagdating doon, alagaan pa niya yung ina niya. Ang nakaano kasi magtrabaho siya the next day, very early. So, ang mangyayari, walang tulog yung asawa ko. At kung hindi nyo alam yung asawa ko, matutulog yan at gising agad mga 3 o'clock ng umaga or 2 o'clock ng umaga. So, walang tulog. Ano na ngayon, 8:30. So, makadating sila doon, 8:30. Mga 10 na sila makadating doon sa isang bahay, 10 o'clock ng gabi. So, madali yung tulog ng asawa ko. So yun, kaya minamadali ko siya palagi kasi yun kasi ang inaalala ko yung ganun. Sus, Ginoo ko. So si Roxy nakatulog kasi pagod. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys.
You